Hello, I'm Simon Rogers, Managing Director of Rogers Advanced Composites. I'm very proud to be able to present our new DMV approved 10-ton carbon twin lift. This 10-ton carbon fibre twin lift is approximately 25% of its nearest competitor. This obviously has very significant savings in weight, but hence stability as well, as these cranes are usually high up in the structure. Typical applications where we see this being really beneficial is on big cruise ships, in the military and in the commercial markets. So all our cranes are DMV certified. Also very pleased to announce that within this crane system we have a class approved 5-ton marinized winch. This we believe to be the first in the world of its type and will form one of the major building blocks for our crane ranges. In addition to this crane, we're currently building two 12-metre 3.5 tonne safe working load cranes and a number of other larger cranes ranging from 8.5 tonne meters to 250 tonne meters. Rogers Advanced Composites is committed to quality, and we're ISO 9001-2015 accredited, and we're also an approved DMV GL facility. We have JOSCAR registration, allowing military and commercial markets to purchase directly from us. Within the superyacht, military and commercial markets, there are lots of lifting requirements that require lightweight structures. We are open to bespoke requests, whatever they might be, and we'd be very, very pleased to help you with those requirements.